Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about making money online stuff. I think that I need to tell you some important facts regarding making money online, so that when you are making money online or when you are even starting with any kind of business online, it would be helpful for you, because I'm gonna share my own experience so far with my own money making online and regarding starting with the various different businesses and how it's going and all that I'm going to talk in this video guys. So consider clicking the like button before going to the good part. And also guys, recently we have launched our own platform for helping you making money online, which contains so many graphics, the patterns and the KDP interiors and so much more. You can download these freebies. The link of this new platform is in description box below, or even you can head on to globocreative.com and can download these freebies, and each and every one we will be going to add more. So stay tuned with us and make sure to check everyone to download these freebies. Okay, let's get straight with the main part. So talking about now some important parameters to be considered while making money online. The first of all guys, I want to be honest with you that because I've been getting a lot of the comments, people were asking me to talk about the print on demand, how much I'm making in that each month, or KDP, or in my own magazine business. They were asking me how much I'm making, and regarding that I should need to reveal my own money numbers and all. So I want to talk to you guys that this is my first year guys. Like if you're also in the first year, I'm also in the first year. I don't have that huge numbers to show you off or somewhat like that. I am making money each month, but I'm not making that huge money from my print on demand or from my KDP each month that I'm gonna show you I'm making $10,000 or $5,000 or something like that. To be honest with you guys, because I am working on my own business more rather than working on the print on demand or on the KDP or on the Creative Fabrica. So these all the other businesses that are not part of my main business, I am working on them just as a part-time. I'm fully working on my own business as a full-time rather than working on other businesses. So I think the last book I published onto the KDP was in the October, and after that I didn't publish any book, and it was kind of like more of a passive. Obviously December was a good month for every person. December, November, December, October, November, December are the 3 months that works very well for every kind of business. The January New Year, but the sales started seeming to drop after the February, March and April. These were kind of like a very slow months for me. Print on demand was going okay. Like the Redbubble is no longer there guys. You already know that Redbubble is no longer there for me. I have more of like a Teepublic or Society 6 and Jazzle and Displayed, which I started recently. Like Society 6 and Displayed I started recently, but Jazzle has been there for a while and Teepublic is also there. So I'm making money from them each month, but it's not that big money like as you would be expecting to show you guys that, oh, I'm making $5,000 from my print on demand each month or something like that. It's not huge guys, and obviously I'm not 100% comfortable with sharing you guys the exact numbers because it's my own personal preference guys. Like when you are making these YouTube videos or when you are putting any content in the online space, you're already exposing yourself. You're already exposing yourself to the camera, to the writing, whatever you are doing on the online space, and you're already showing the things to the people that you are doing. So I mean, I'm already exposed to you guys that I'm making these kind of businesses, like I'm doing these kind of businesses and I'm making money from them. So why I need to show you the real numbers? Because I'm not okay with showing you the real numbers of showing you the people that, oh, I make such big money from my own business or something like that. I'm not that kind of person guys. The purpose of this channel is just to show you guys that it's possible to make money and to introduce you to the various different avenues of money making online. Like what are the different methods in which you can make money online. So I'm going to introduce you to new methods in each of my videos so that whichever method suits best for you, you can get started with that. But guys, expect it to be a slow run. Like I'm in the first year and I can tell you from my own personal experience that is not a rich money making scheme. All the methods that I'm talking in my video are not rich money making scheme. It will definitely going to take some time to get the desired results. Exceptions are that if you're going with the paid ads or you're going with some kind of like a other type of methods, you might get good sales in the beginning, or you might be getting huge money in the beginning. But if you're going with the organic strategy, more kind of like organic, it will going to take some time, guys. So the question is, guys, that I'm really not comfortable with you sharing the real numbers of how much I'm making each month. I'm really not comfortable, and I won't be rude with you guys, but it's just the fact, it's just my own personal preference. Like, I don't prefer to talk to the real numbers to the people, because I don't want myself to be fully exposed how much I'm making, how much is you can expect, and I'm not really comfortable with that. But guys, I can tell you that it's not a big number. I'm not making a huge money from the KDP or from the print on demand or for any other third-party businesses. I'm mainly focusing on my own business, so trying to grow my business. And if you know anything, guys, for the Amazon, it was not at all profitable in their first 5 years of their business. So if you are starting with any kind of business and you're expecting to make huge sales in a first month or in the first year of your business, then I highly doubt that, because the big companies out there have been struggling a lot in their first few years of their business. So how you can expect to make a big money in very first few years of your business? I'm not telling you it's not possible. It's 100% possible, but you need to have a realistic expectation. Like, if you're going with the paid ads, you have a huge budget for paying ads, then very well you can have a good revenue, but still the profit would be down. Like, there are so many companies who are funded by the venture capital, or who have the investors. They are having the huge investment in their company, like the $1 billion or $1 million, whatever it is. They are having a huge capital in their company, but they are spending that money on the infrastructure, on the softwares, or even on the paying ads. So they would be having a high revenue, but the profit would be less. And my own personal preference to have a good profit rather than having a good revenue, because revenue is just the thing. Like, profit is the main thing that is coming into your bank account, that is coming into your pocket after spending everywhere, or after paying for every other people which you have hired in your business. So that is the most important thing for me. That's why, guys, I'm not gonna reveal you the exact numbers, because it's not in accordance with my own rules, with my own philosophy, and it's my own personal preference. I don't work the way the rest of the other YouTubers make, who talk about them making the big money, who show their real numbers, who tell that they have been making $10,000 a month or more than that, whatever the number is. I'm not like that YouTubers. I need to be frank with you guys. I'm here just to show you that it's possible to make money, and these are some methods in which you can make money online based on my own experience and knowledge. I'm going to share my real tips, my real experience with you guys, but I'm not going to show you the real numbers, because that's my own personal preference. I'll tell you guys that I'm not making a big money from the print on demand, from the KDP. That's the reality. I'm not making that big money, because my main focus is not on that businesses. I talk a lot about the print on demand, the secret websites, and the KDP, the type of the books that are making $1,000 each month. But I am not really into going that route for full time, because I have my own businesses, and I prefer to work on my own business more rather than spending time onto third-party website which might get you banned or suspended, as happened with my Redbubble shop. So I learned an experience from my own failure with the Redbubble, with not getting my account back, and it just gets suspended. And now I see that the traffic is coming onto my shop each month, and people are purchasing from my Redbubble shop, and I am not getting anything out of it. So it was so sad for me. I really felt bad for that. But then I realized that I don't need to give too much attention to this third-party website, because they can decide at any time that they don't want me to be there on their platform, and they can ban that. It's in the terms and conditions. You can't go against any company and tell them that, hey, you banned me. You can't do that. They always say in the terms and conditions, in the privacy policy, that they can ban anyone whenever they want to. If they feel that that person is harmful to their website or whatever it is, they can ban that. So guys, that's what my personal preference. I want to talk to you guys that it's in my first year. I want to tell you it will going to take time. Don't expect to make big money overnight. Please have a realistic expectation, because I've been seeing a lot of the videos, people saying that, oh, I make $1,000 in my Redbubble in my first month. And I was like, wow. Okay, that's great if you're making big money online. Like, what are your strategies? Show your real strategies if you're making that big money. to my in my own story and my own experience, I can say you very well, guys, it will going to take some time. Definitely you need to be consistent, because nothing can beat the consistency. If you're on a consistent basis to get the consistent results each month coming into your bank account, you can't expect to do the one-day task and expecting to make money all throughout the year. It's just not possible that way, guys. You need to have a realistic expectation. So that is why I want to tell you, I'm not making that big money on the print on demand, on the KDP. That's the reality. But I'm not going to show you the real numbers. I can tell you that I'm making anywhere from $100 to $200 or $500 each month from my print on demand, from my KDP businesses. Now, sometime it's just the $100, other time it's the $500, other time it's the $200. So it's kind of like an average range, I can say, you guys. But I'm not going to show you the exact numbers. So that's what I want to address in this video, because I really felt that I've been getting a lot of the comments and people were asking me this thing, why don't you make the income reports videos? You're gonna get viral, your video will going to get more views. And I tell those people that I'm not here to make my videos viral. Like, of course I want the subscribers, I comments and all that, but my main purpose with this channel is to help you guys make money online, talking about the real methods that have been working for me, sharing my real experience with you guys, real tips. That is the reality. That's the purpose of my channel. Of course it will going to take some time, because not many people are doing that in the YouTube space. All people are making the kind of like a viral video showing off their income just to get the more views, just to get the more thing, and making big money on the YouTube, whatever you can call it. So I hope that I have answered that comment or that question about the income report, how much I'm making. I hope I have answered it. But do let me know what you think about it. I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.